Hi, so I'm just going to demo using the bricks as a nice shoulder chest release. So get your pair of yoga tune-up bricks and you're going to be placing them on the front of your shoulders. So you've got some options in terms of actually angling the bricks so that they're supporting the front of the shoulder joint. And you can bring your palms down so that the whole of the front of the shoulders, as you're sort of allowing your arms to lengthen with the back of the hands on the floor, you can just allow yourself to drop, and then you can just place your head down on the floor. So depending on how far you want your shoulders out, you can angle the bricks a little bit more, and it's going to be opening up into the sternum, the chest wall, the pectoral muscles, subclavicles, and that can be really nice just to sort of soften and breathe. Obviously I'm sort of having a chat, but yeah, allow yourself just to breathe in and out through the nose. Feel that broadening of the chest. Now you might want to sort of just perhaps lift your arms up. Yes, you could bring your palms down. That may feel more comfortable for you, but just bear in mind that when you're in this position, your shoulders are a little bit more rounded rather than opening them up and bringing them back like this. So the next option is to actually see if you can cope with bringing the bricks. So again, they're right underneath the shoulders. So from the side, let me just give you a bit more of an option of the height. So from the side, it's obviously going to be quite a lot higher. So you don't want the bricks to be sort of digging into your arms. So that feels, so you just have to prop yourself up so you're not going to suddenly sort of fall on the floor. Okay, so it's literally into the front of the shoulders, and you can really begin to feel that opening up the front of the chest. Now I'm quite comfortable just sort of not letting my head go really saggy, but I'm just allowing my spine to drop through. So I feel quite comfortable holding my neck in that position. Now you can sort of let your head go, but if it feels like you can't, it just feels too heavy to hang because your head weighs quite a few pounds, then my suggestion is just to put your head on a brick, on a ball or a brick, and then you can just hang out. It's a really nice way of trying to help reset your shoulders, to allow your chest to feel a little bit more open, to be conscious about breathing into the belly, the clavicles, the chest, the whole front underbody. And on each out breath, just allow yourself to sort of deflate a little bit more. Now the options with this also is that you can sort of fire up your chest and your pecs by pulling the back of your hands into the floor. So as if I'm driving my hands into the floor, again, I'm sort of engaging my chest muscles a little bit so I can do a little bit of contract for a few seconds. And then I can just soften and release and relax. And in fact, I know I've just noticed I've gone a little bit further down. So I can drive my hands into the wall, into the floor a little bit. Feel everything sort of being pulled forward, a few seconds, and then just allow yourself to go. Now, I might change the angle. You've got to find the angle that works for your shoulders. Yes, you can bring your arms into this, but then the sides of the bricks sometimes dig into your arms. So see how you go with that. That may be too high for you. You may feel much happier being in this position. Don't be afraid to start low. Okay, low is absolutely great. See how you go. Hopefully you'll find that useful. Thank you. Bye.